broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna hear.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rochelle.
It's a good play and it's a good sleep.
Alright guys, so I know it's been like what 7-8 days now since I don't post a video. So if you're new to the channel, please I'm asking you to make sure that you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell and all. Drop a comment down below, leave a like on the video, and remember to watch the ads. So leave them there alone. Sorry. I did a weekly vlog which you guys will be seeing after this video, and I'm not gonna lie, I know the last video I was telling you all I wasn't feeling well and stuff, so I am 100% better now. But in the vlog when I watch after this, so in the vlog when I go watch after this, when I hear me say I was what 60% feeling better at that time. So anyway guys, you know, me did have high blood pressure, like my pressure was high, and you know me did sick, plus me did just, you know, need some time for myself along with my kids, you know, to just try refocus back and stuff. Hence the reason why, you know, I wasn't posting them. And me just say, you know, I'm gonna just give YouTube a break. But I am back again in full swing, right? Yeah, so I literally wake up from morning working. Tell the honest truth, I walk on my mouth from morning, just a bread pudding. I don't even drink tea, just for sure. So anyway, I've been up from morning cleaning. I wake up, I wash out bathroom mat, and me tell you, not an easy thing, but you know, we get in there. At this point, I would say I am maybe 50% there with cleaning, because I have shoes, same way to wipe off and organize the place and stuff. And I'm telling y'all, it's not easy. And I have myself a bed, I have the bathroom to go clean and finish. Maybe if you need my mind sharp, I go there, I'll go up on the road and go just buy food today, because I don't have the energy to cook. So like people don't see a motor ball. They say you love yourself, chow. There's this man I come this like a picking here. Like a picking rag out in head. You can't balance out here. And I say the majority of the video them want to see for your head and for your always look like say look like say a cutter, cause no matter how me come this like a picking here. As me comb my hair, so she root you up. Wanna tell me in the comment section how to go about so here. At this point, me tired. Tell the people them say I go comb my hair. I go comb my hair for them say. Where I pinch up my hand for? Eh? Alright guys, so I'm gonna just watch the video, enjoy the video, and as usual, go and build myself.
What can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know it's true. I was always holding you down. You down.
Alright guys, so as y'all see, my room is a mess, and I wake up from morning, I hang out clothes, wipe out the bathroom already along with the kitchen. So I go wipe out my room, and then I have to go try to go them clothes out of the settee, take out the bar layer. Then I have to go spread up my bed, pack up the clothes them, put them in a some bag. Me have my mat to wash. Guys, I have so much to do, but you know, but not complain, me just a try do what me have to do. Oh, just in case y'all are wondering, so the bassinet me use it for store, you know, the teddy bear them and dolly them, cause Chloe and Zoe have them all over the place and me can't keep up with them. So I have Chloe and Zoe shoes them for wipe off, and then you know I go put some of the shoes them under the dresser. I go pack with some of them in the shoe stand. See where what can hold the shoe stand, me just put under the dresser. But for now, I just go sweep out in here, so, and then I try wipe out in here, so then after I try to pack out the things out of the barrel, and then you know, from there we see what and what we're gonna be getting done.
Oh, what is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad at fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. I said it's gonna be the last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass.
Without you, days breathing on a cloud with you like the rising. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with Bikini.
Come Zoe, go and sit down, make Chloe put up here. And I say your holy bubbles. Pass the bubbles, I'm sure you all bubbles. Dry you over it. Open your sand and put you over the next part. No, open there, so put you over this. At least I try. It's always.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it back on it. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it back on it. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all. Take you there, take
Alright guys, it's that Zoe here and you can't finish it because Zoe a fussy look like she wants to sleep. So I'm just showing you where ears stay so far. So I start the back. See here, I start the back, but as I don't know, she a fuss, so I'm gonna just sketch up this and try to put her in bed when she asleep. I'm try to finish yours. Alright guys, I go to the road. I go collect my food and then I go check about something. Then we come home back. So I don't know the good soup. And I got me some pork with fried chicken and rice and peas and vegetable, and yes, I put mayonnaise because I love mayonnaise bad. So I'm gonna be eating this now for dinner. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. So catch you all in the next video. Bye.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?